It was a sudden flash flood from the Tibet side that entered Nepal in the morning, causing massive devastation. There you can see a video taken by one of the workers at a dam there, who is, recording that visual as well as running for his life. People seen running as the flood tears through the Nepal-Tibet region. 31 pilgrims from Hyderabad who were on the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra also reportedly stranded near the Nepal-Tibet border following the devastating flash floods. The pilgrims have informed their families that they are safe and had crossed the flood-hit area yesterday morning. Aerial footage shows the scale of devastation in the Nuwakot district after the flash floods tore through the region, burying buildings, vehicles in mud and destroying roads. More than 170 people have been killed across the Nepal-China border region, while hundreds remain missing. And as rescue teams race against time, specially trained sniffer and rescue dogs are now proving invaluable to the Nepal army on the ground. Their sharp sense of smell is helping teams locate people trapped under the debris and identify possible survivors. The Himalayan flood fury left a trail of death and destruction across Nepal. The death toll, as we said, has reached over 270, and over 60 injured people are reported to be receiving treatment in different hospitals of the country. Prime Minister Balin Shah visited flood-affected area of Bidur and Nuwakot. He's assured citizens that the government is carrying out large-scale rescue and relief operations. Meanwhile, rescue mission is on in full swing. The Nepal Army, police and armed forces are on the ground with more than 400 civilians who have already been rescued. Preparations are underway to airlift the foreign nationals to Kathmandu, while the remaining people are being brought to Dhunche. Satellite images have also shown the staggering scale of the devastation, with buildings and bridges swept away, entire areas transformed by the raging waters, as well as the debris and the sludge. Now, NDTV was the first Indian channel there on the ground at ground zero, really, of the affected areas. NDTV's Sikta Deo sent us this report from washed away bridges to submerged towns. Our reporters are tracking all the very latest.
I'm here in Gorkha district of Nepal, and if you want to realize that how the flood was devastating, you can see the visuals of the under construction dam here in Gorkha district. This is the under construction dam, and the wall, retaining wall there, collapsed in the flood, and you can see the pillar which was constructed here, but the pillar fell down due to the pressure of water. I'm standing just near the dam, which is located in Gorkha district, and you can see the container which is still stuck in the pillars of the Trishuli Bailey bridge. So this is the condition, and if you want to see the condition, I'll also show you some shoes that some people who were standing here, they fled away just after the alert, and they left their shoes and some belongings, and the valuables kept here near the under construction dam, it all flew in the water. The locals who were present here in the nearby areas, they were asked by the administration to move away to some higher places around 2 or 3 hours back of the flood, and at around 1 p.m. this river inched up to my head level. The laborers who are working here, they told us that the water level was more than 20 feet high, and it retained.
Reached the dead end of this highway. Well, this highway used to lead to the Tibet border and then to the Mansarovar, and this was a popular route for the tourists arriving in Nepal for their Mansarovar Yatra. While the Nepal Tourism Board has released a bulletin regarding the various travel agents who have reported missing their clients and their groups who had moved ahead from this road yesterday for the Mansarovar Yatra, and there has been no clue about those missing groups, and the rescue teams are still operating by helicopters to actually get some information if there are people stranded on that side of the road, because from here on the route is completely devastated. It has been washed away by the silt and the water which came with the flash flood. With me, a few family members who have driven down from Kathmandu looking for their relatives. आप लोग अपने दामाद को, अपने सन इन लॉ को ढूंढने के लिए आए हैं, हुआ क्या आपको? क्या वो कहाँ जा रहे थे दर्शन करने यहाँ से?
मेरा दामाद त्रिशुली से गाड़ी लिया, उन्होंने गाड़ी लेकर गोसाईकुंड जा रहे थे रसुआ के, और इधर उधर बेत्रावती बाजार भी नहीं पचा तो इधर ही कुछ हो गया.
Well, this is the dead end for the popular Mansarovar Yatra right now, and if there are people stranded that side of the road or the highway, the army choppers will have to manage and get them back and rescue them back here.